Hi Super Friends! Welcome to Super Friends NYC. As you can see, I'm in Times Square because the next video you're about to watch is a compilation of 12 midnight moments in Times Square in 2023. For those of you who don't know, Midnight Moment is the world's largest and longest running digital public art program, synchronized on over 90 digital billboards in Times Square. This program brings public art on a monumental scale to New Yorkers and visitors from all around the globe every night from 11:57 until midnight, except on New Year's Eve. Presenting a new Midnight Moment every month, this program has featured the work of over 100 contemporary artists since 2012. Now, if you're ready, I present to you 12 extraordinary Midnight Moments of 2023. Super Friends?
Why the fuck your phone not ringing?
Hold my phone. But like someone with this.
Yeah, correct.
Reclame en zo, maar die doet voor dat ze altijd.
the night, cause you're working for the night. For the mix it for the night, 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 rock for the night, cause you mix it for the night, 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 mix it for the night.
Não, e a legenda vai ser a melhor, mano. O iluminado.
Very good. Que no sé qué somos.
There you have it, Super Friends, 12 extraordinary midnight moments of 2023. If you enjoyed it and want to watch my exciting live coverage of midnight moments here in Times Square, join me every Saturday from 11 until midnight. I'm confident you're going to find it enjoyable. Before I go, I'd like to share with you my favorite. The Doors Lizard Kings. The giant spitting lizards crawling across gigantic billboards here in Times Square were incredibly thrilling to watch. And the iridescent colors? I love this installation. What about you, Super Friends? Please share your favorite or favorites in the comment section. That has been our video for today. Maraming salamat for watching. I will see you on the next one. This is Fernando saying stay safe and stay kind. Bye-bye!
Goodbye.